Namaste children, welcome to 9th standard. Today we are going to see the second chapter, which is in the form of Gadyamsham. The title of the lesson is Swarna Kakaha. Swarna means gold and Kakaha means crow. So the meaning of the title is golden crow. Now we shall go to the lesson. पुरा कस्मिंश्चित् ग्रामे एका निर्धना वृद्धा स्त्री न्यवसत्। तस्याः च एका दुहिता विनम्रा मनोहरा चासीत्। एकदा माता स्थाल्यां तण्डुलान् निक्षिप्य पुत्रीम् आदिशत्। सूर्यातपे तण्डुलान् खगेभ्यो रक्ष। किञ्चित् कालादनन्तरम् एकः विचित्रः काकः समुड्डीय तस्याः समीपम् अगच्छत्। I repeat the para. पुरा कस्मिंश्चित् ग्रामे एका निर्धना वृद्धा स्त्री न्यवसत्। तस्याः च एका दुहिता विनम्रा मनोहरा च आसीत्। एकदा माता स्थाल्यां तण्डुलान् निक्षिप्य पुत्रीम् आदिशत्। सूर्यातपे तण्डुलान् खगेभ्यो रक्ष। किञ्चित् कालादनन्तरम् एको विचित्रः काकः समुड्डीय तस्याः समीपम् अगच्छत्। Now we shall see the meaning of each line. पुरा कस्मिंश्चित् ग्रामे एका निर्धना वृद्धा स्त्री न्यवसत्. Pura in ancient time, कस्मिंश्चित् ग्रामे in some village, eka one, nirdhana poor, vridha stri old lady, न्यवसत् lived. So the whole meaning of this sentence is, in the ancient time there lived a poor lady in some village. तस्याः च एका दुहिता विनम्रा मनोहरा चासीत्. तस्याः च for her, eka duhita one daughter, vinamra humble, manohara attractive, chasit was there. For her there was an attractive humble daughter. Going on to the next line. एकदा माता स्थाल्यां तण्डुलान् निक्षिप्य पुत्रीम् आदिशत्. Ekada once mata mother sthalyam in a plate, tandulan rice grains, nikshipya kept, putrim the daughter, adishat ordered. So the whole meaning of this line is, once the mother placed some rice grains in a plate and ordered her daughter thus. We shall see what she ordered. Suryatape tandulan khagebhyo raksha. Suryatape in the sun, tandulan the rice grains, khagebhyo from the birds, raksha protect. So the whole meaning is, protect the rice grains from the birds in the sun. And we shall see the next sentence. किंचित् कालादनन्तरम् एको विचित्रः काकः समुड्डीय तस्याः समीपम् अगच्छत्. किंचित् कालादनन्तरम्, we know that kalam means time, so किंचित् कालाद anantaram, anantaram is after, which means after some time, eko vichitraha one strange, kakaha crow, samuddiya flew, tasyaha samipam near her, agachat came. So the whole meaning of this sentence is, after a while a strange crow flew and came near her. With this we have come to the end of the first para, starting from Pura Kasmimshit till the end of Samipam Agachat. We shall see the whole meaning of this first para. In the ancient time, there lived a poor old lady in some village. For her, there was an attractive, humble daughter. Once the mother placed some rice grains in a plate and ordered her daughter thus: "Protect the rice grains from the birds in the sun." After a while, a strange crow flew and came near her. Now we shall move on to the next para. नैतादृशः स्वर्णपक्षो रजतचञ्चुः स्वर्णकाकास्तया पूर्वं दृष्टः तं तण्डुलान् खादन्तं हसन्तं च विलोक्य बालिका रोदितुमारब्धा तं निवारयन्ती सा प्रार्थयत् तण्डुलान् मा भक्षय मदीया माता अतीव निर्धना वर्तते स्वर्णपक्षः काकः प्रोवाच मा शुचः सूर्योदयात् प्राक् ग्रामात् बहिः पिप्पलवृक्षमनु त्वया आगन्तव्यम् अहं तुभ्यं तण्डुलमूल्यं दास्यामि प्रहर्षिता बालिका निद्रामपि न लेभे. I repeat the paragraph. नैतादृशः स्वर्णपक्षो रजतचञ्चुः स्वर्णकाकास्तया पूर्वं दृष्टः तं तण्डुलान् खादन्तं हसन्तं च विलोक्य बालिका रोदितुमारब्धा तं निवारयन्ती सा प्रार्थयत् तण्डुलान् मा भक्षय मदीया माता अतीव निर्धना वर्तते स्वर्णपक्षः काकः प्रोवाच मा शुचः सूर्योदयात् प्राक् ग्रामात् बहिः पिप्पलवृक्षमनु त्वया आगन्तव्यम् अहं तुभ्यं तण्डुलमूल्यं दास्यामि प्रहर्षिता बालिका निद्रामपि न लेभे. Now we shall see the each sentence. नैतादृशः स्वर्णपक्षो रजतचञ्चुः स्वर्णकाकास्तया पूर्वं दृष्टः. Naitadrishaha, not as such. Swarnapakshaha, golden winged. Rajata chanchuhu, silver beaked. Chanchuhu means beak. Swarnakakas taya, golden crow by her. Taya means by her. Purvam drishtaha was seen earlier. So the whole meaning of this sentence: such a golden winged, silver beaked crow was not seen by her earlier. Moving on to the next sentence. तं तण्डुलान् खादन्तं हसन्तं च विलोक्य बालिका रोदितुमारब्धा. Tandulan, rice grains. Khadantam tam, that which was eating. Here that tam refers to that crow, that is that golden crow which was eating. Hasantancha was laughing. Vilokya, seeing. Balika, the young girl. Roditum arabdha, started crying. So the whole meaning of this sentence: the young girl started crying seeing the crow which was laughing and eating the rice grains. Tam nivarayanti, sa prarthayat tandulan ma bhakshaya. Tam nivarayanti, stopping that is stopping the crow. Sa, that girl. Prarthayat, requested. Tandulan, rice grains. Ma bhakshaya, do not eat. So the meaning of this sentence: stopping the crow, the girl requested it not to eat the rice grains. Moving to the next sentence. Madiya mata ativa nirdhana vartate. Madiya, my, mata, mother, ativa, very, nirdhana vartate is poor. So my mother is very poor. We shall see what the girl is telling. Swarnapakshah kakah provacha ma shuchaha. Swarnapakshah, the golden winged kakah, crow, provacha, told, ma shuchaha, do not worry. So the golden winged crow told her not to worry, and Suryodayat prag gramat bahihi pippala vrikshamanu tvaya agantavyam. Suryodayat prag, before sunrise, gramat bahihi, outside the village, pippala vrikshamanu, near the peepal tree, tvaya agantavyam, you should come. So the whole sentence meaning is: you should come near the peepal tree outside the village before sunrise. And Aham tubhyam tandulamulyam dasyami. Aham tubhyam to you, tandulamulyam the price of the rice grains, dasyami shall give. I shall give the price of the rice grains to you is the reply which is given by the golden crow to that girl. Praharshita balika nidramapi na lebhe. Praharshita, the happy, balika, girl, nidramapi, even sleep, na lebhe, did not get. The happy girl did not get sleep too. With this, the paragraph starting from Naita Drishaha Swarna Pakshaha till Na Lebhe is over. We shall see the whole meaning of this paragraph. Such a golden-winged, silver-beaked golden crow was not seen by her earlier. The young girl started crying, seeing the crow, which was laughing and eating the rice grains. Stopping the crow, the girl requested it not to eat the rice grains. My mother is very poor. The golden-winged crow told her not to worry. You should come near the peepal tree outside the village before sunrise. I shall give you the price of the rice grains to you. The happy girl did not get sleep too. With this, we come to the end of this session. We shall see the other paragraph of the lesson in the next session. Thank you.